Good Saturday morning to you. I'm Meteorologist Ryan Hoke here with today's edition of the Hokey video blog. It is Wave 3 News Day at the State Fair. This is like Christmas for us because we talk to cameras all day just to get to you, but now you get to talk to us, and we want to hear from you so very badly. So we are at the South Wing Entrance A at the State Fair, right in that lobby area. You'll see the sign and us as you come on in. You can come and meet us. We've got autograph cards we can give you. We've got candy. We've got giveaways. We've got magnets. It's going to be a fantastic day. We're there 9 to 6 today. I will be there from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Come out and say hello. We want to hear from you and say hello to you as well. Hokey weather fact, here you go. We're talking about the boundary between Earth and space. It's not very clear because as you go up in the atmosphere gets thinner and thinner and thinner. The air molecules get more and more spread out until a point where you just can't detect them anymore. And since that's not very clear, there are various definitions of what outer space is. Here in the United States, to be an astronaut, you need to be 50 miles above the Earth's surface or higher. And there's various other definitions that take it up to about 76 miles for the edge of outer space. Pretty cool, isn't it? Well, we've got pretty cool conditions across wave country this morning. You'll see from our SkyTrack camera in Jeffersonville, pretty calm water, a few clouds out there. They're pretty much high and thin at this point. And we've got a couple of little showers on the Storm Tracker 3D radar. I think southern Indiana could get in on just a few showers. You can already see some of them just west of our viewing area this morning. A few showers down there in southern Kentucky too, but they're a whole lot lighter. They might not even be reaching the ground at this point. So for you southern Indiana folks, we will be watching for just a spotty shower or two. Nothing too crazy. Out to our west, that's where we've got this spinning comma head area of low pressure between Missouri and Iowa. Big slug of rainfall just south and east of that right now, and that's going to be moving eastward as we go throughout the next couple of days. So Sunday is the big day for rain. Today, just a couple of little precursor showers. Nothing too crazy. There's the low and the associated stationary frontal boundary there. You can see the cloud cover associated with all of this. This is pretty classic looking, what we call a mid-latitude cyclone, pulling up the warm conveyor belt of air from the Gulf of Mexico and then getting some of that cooler air wrapping around the top side of it. Pretty cool stuff if you're in Meteorology 101 for weather nerds, much like me. 50s and 60s across the area this morning. You'll see the 50s to our north and east. Louisville just updated to 67 there for the 8 o'clock update. And we've got some warmer, moister air coming in from the south. You can see Madisonville at 71 at this hour. If you're coming out for the State Fair, I wouldn't take the umbrella. I wouldn't take the poncho. 9 to 6 p.m. I don't have any rain showers in the forecast for us here during that time frame. Now, as we go throughout, I'd say southern Indiana, we could see about a 20% chance for some of these, but it won't be a very big deal. Let's take you through Futurecast for today. Yeah, we've got a few isolated showers here and there, as you'll see, through about 3 o'clock. Temperatures rising up to 85 degrees. By 7 o'clock, those showers become more widespread. That's that system moving in from Illinois at this point. As we go throughout this evening, the showers become even more and more widespread. Look what happens by tomorrow at 7:30. This is brand new data from the RPM model showing some of these thunderstorms moving on in early tomorrow morning. So if you're waking up with us on sunrise, we may very well be dealing with rain, showers, and thunderstorms on radar. So that moves on through as we go throughout tomorrow morning. I think the prime time for storm development is going to be tomorrow afternoon, but of course that depends on the morning activity. That could decrease the instability somewhat. Then during the overnight hours from Sunday into Monday, I think we'll get some heavy rains in here. Hopefully these will be drought-busting rains for folks to the south and west of us who are in that moderate drought, especially down toward Litchfield. Here in Louisville, we need about 1.5 inches to get over our deficit. RPM model here is struggling with this setup. I don't think it likes this low that we've got moving in and how it's trying to distribute some of the precipitation. But otherwise, just know that the second half of Monday will be drier than the first half as this rain moves out. Then as we go throughout Wednesday and Thursday, ridge of high pressure moves in to the Gulf states, and then we begin to get what we call ring of fire thunderstorms. And this happens on the edge of this heat right here in this area, and you can see where the storm track is painted there right along the edge, moving through the Midwest. This is how we get those summertime Midwestern MCSs. That's how we get derechos too. We're not calling for a derecho, but that's something that certainly is possible with these kinds of setups. Hot weather, How hot's it going to be? Well, we're talking 90s as we start your Tuesday and beyond. 4 days in the 90s. In fact, Tuesday and thereafter, we could get into the mid-90s by Friday. A true heat wave is 3 or more days in the 90s. We'll be meeting that criteria as we go throughout the middle and latter portion of next week. So come out and see us at the Kentucky State Fair. I'll be there 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy your Saturday and get ready for a rainy Sunday. For now, I'm meteorologist Ryan Hoke. Thanks for watching.